Soldering for beginners. Here are the tools and materials that you need to prepare: soldering iron stand, the soldering tool, helping hand, side cutter, soldering lead, soldering paste, schematic diagram, and boarding components. The PPE for soldering: apron, gloves, goggles, and face mask. Safety precautions for soldering: solder in a well-ventilated area. Avoid soldering in the presence of children and pregnant or nursing mothers. Remove all metal accessories on your body. Girls should tie their long hair. Always wear your PPE when soldering. Always place a soldering iron on the soldering iron stand when not in use. Do not touch the wire on the heated iron. And be alert for burnt rubber smell or sparks that may cause accidents. Preparations before soldering: clean the soldering iron. Every time there is a black buildup at the tip of the iron, always clean the iron. Tin the soldering iron. This will distribute the heat evenly at the tip of the iron. Maintain a 3 to 5 mm space between component and board. Here are the steps in soldering. First, heat the board and the component not more than 2 seconds. Second, add soldering lead. Third, remove the lead and continue heating. Fourth, remove the iron and let the joint cool. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, and Step 4. Again, Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, and Step 4. The perfect shape for a good solder is like a volcano or Kisses chocolate. Now let's try this project on a blinker using the schematic diagram and these components.